everyone, welcome back to my vlog channel. Today I'm gonna start a new series where I take you to all different cool hikes that we go on around LA. So today we're heading to Escondido Falls in Malibu. Parking's a little rough. There's a ton of cars here right now. This is one of the more popular hikes in Malibu and it features a waterfall. And since California just got a ton of rain, allegedly it is gushing. It's a 3.7 mile out and back trail. It's about 50 minutes from LA. So let's head over there and I can't wait to hike. So we've started our hike. We parked on the street near the parking lot. There's a small parking lot that charges $12, but we just found a spot on the street. It is super busy right now. There's like not many parking spots. And there was a officer giving out tickets. We saw like 4 tickets on people's cars on the way in. Not much of a hike. Okay, so the first leg of this hike, you're just walking down this path next to the road through some nice neighborhoods. Really nice neighborhood. And at this point, I'm thinking, I hope it's not like this the whole time because we just drove an hour to hike in the neighborhood, but it gets better. So is it paved the whole time? We're going straight down. Looks like we have to cross some water.
Excuse me, beep. Oh my god, I can cross the rock. Can you cross it?
Yeah. I bet like any other time of year this is dried up. Don't you think so? Oh, you crossed already. How'd you do that so fast?
Just cross it, though.
Okay, so hike update. Overall, it's really easy. Once you get down that big hill, it's pretty flat, but there's all these little creeks that filled up because we just got a ton of rain. And they look pretty easy to cross, but in person, I was scared I was gonna fall. So yeah, I think there's like 7 or 8 of these total. So bring your swimmy shoes if you come do this hike. There's another river crossing.
You just gotta go for it. Yeah. But you're not getting it.
Oh my god, you're still going? Will you just take a picture of me now? Almost there. We made it. So we hiked off to the right of the waterfall to this treacherous uphill climb and would not recommend. We are sliding all over the place. There's no grip. Just rolling off the cliff. I've already fallen like 4 times. Oh! I can't film and do this. Walking back, it's nice and shady. Now it's nice and cool. It's so quiet and nice when nobody's around because you can hear like the running water and it's so peaceful. But yeah, it is very busy here as expected. Everybody wants to see the waterfall and we're walking back. We're at that point where we have to cross the like 7 rivers. Here goes Collie Lolly. And we made it up that treacherous hill. That was steep. Now we're walking back to the car. Did you have fun here?
No.
Why not?
No, it was nice. There's a lot of people.
Yeah. So we're gonna go grab some food from Malibu Cafe. I'm starving after that hike. Did you have fun on your hike?
Yeah.
Well, you just said no a couple seconds ago. Put your baba down. We're gonna go get some food at Malibu Farms Cafe. I haven't been here in a really long time, so I'm excited to see what they have. This is one of our favorite places to go out here. Holy shit, that's a lot of birds.
Colony of birds.
Welcome to Malibu, everybody. Isn't it nice?
Oh.
Can you park in the lot?
You got any cash?
No, but I don't want to walk. Wow, you really weaseled your way into this spot. You're gonna fit? You're on the curb, man.
Am I?
You're about to be.
Yeah, fuck all you guys. I got a spot. Man, it's right across the street.
You know, this is one of the reasons why I didn't want to come here because, like, I just didn't want to deal with the parking.
Same. And I didn't want to deal with waiting in the fucking line to talk to the hostess.
Oh my god, yeah, me too. I was thinking that. But I thought that'd be early enough that nobody would be here.
No.
Nah, bruh. Want some chapstick?
No.
Nah, bruh. This is my car. This is my car. Let me put extra stuff in here. Extra stuff in here. Oh, did you see him? Pop the wheelie. So we both got the vegan wedge salad. Not much on it, but I'm excited. This is so good. Whatever this cheese thing is maybe this is Miyoko's cheese. There's like cheese smeared on the plate. So good. Okay, so we got the tofu banh mi tacos, and this is a broccoli lavash pizza. We forgot that it came with a jicama tortilla though, so we want a real tortilla, some real corn. We got pressed. This is my favorite thing ever. It's made out of like dates and almond milk, I think. And then you can get like whatever toppings you want. They're so good. I got vanilla, strawberries, granola, and blueberries. But I remembered I don't really like getting blueberries. I shouldn't have got them. Like, it's kind of pointless. Tell them what you got.
Mint. What was it? Mint what?
I think it's
Just mint. And vanilla.
And what toppings?
Strawberry. Chocolate chips. And granola.
See, me personally, I don't like getting the chocolate chips because Then they get cold, and then they. I don't like them when they're cold. They're like crunchy. I like them.
I like that.
You like that? I don't like a cold chip.